Thank you for choosing the PureDrop 3CUW Mini Ultra-Filtration Water Purification System. With proper installation and maintenance, this water system will provide clean water for years to come. Please follow the instructions in the video for proper installation procedures. Before we start, carefully read the precautions section of the user manual. Ensure all parts are included in your water systems package and that you have all the necessary tools ready. Installation: Feed water adapter. The 3CUW water purification system was designed to be installed under the sink. Please clean out the space before installation. The feed water adapter fits common 1/2 inch and 3/8 inch connectors. If you have a different size fitting, you will need a converter. Step 1. Turn off the cold water valve under the sink and turn on the faucet to drain out any air and water. Step 2. Disconnect the faucet connector hose. Be prepared to catch any excess water from the hose with a towel. Step 3. Ensure the O-ring is seated properly inside the adapter to prevent leaks. Install the feed water adapter to the valve and tighten it with a wrench. Step 4. Reinstall the faucet connector hose to the feed water adapter and tighten it with a wrench. Step 5. Turn the feed water valve to the off position. Connect the tubing to the adapter and ensure you have enough tubing length for future maintenance. Measure and cut the tube. Installation: Drinking faucet. Choose a suitable flat surface on the sink or countertop to install the drinking faucet. If your kitchen sink does not have a pre-existing hole, you will need to drill one, 1/2 inch to 1.5 inch diameter. A faucet bracket is recommended if there is no available sinkhole. Step 1. Clean and dry the area. Step 2. Slip the front plates into the faucet stem. Step 3. Insert the faucet into the sinkhole. From under the sink, slip the washer and the wing nut into the faucet stem. Tighten the nut with the wing to secure it. Step 4. Insert the quick connect coupling to the faucet stem. Insert the tubing into the quick connect coupling 1/2 inch deep. Then insert a locking clip to lock the tubing in place. Measure and cut the tubing. Leave enough tubing length for future maintenance. System startup. Step 1. Insert the tubing from the feed water adapter 1/2 inch deep into the water inlet port of the system. Lock the tubing in place by inserting the locking clip. Step 2. Insert the tubing from the drinking water faucet 1/2 inch deep into the outlet port of the system. Lock the tubing in place by inserting the locking clip. Step 3. Turn on the drinking water faucet and slowly turn on the feed water adapter. Check for any leaks. Filtered water will flow from the faucet. Let the water run to flush the system for 15 minutes. During the initial flush, it's normal to see residual carbon and fine air bubbles in the water. Turn off the faucet when done. Filter replacement. The filter should be replaced promptly to maintain the quality and taste of the output water. While the recommended filter replacement cycle depends on the incoming water quality and usage, the following cycle is provided as a guidance. To replace the filter: Step 1. Shut off the feed water valve and open the drinking faucet to release pressure until water stops flowing. Step 2. Rotate the old filter cartridge counterclockwise to remove it. Step 3. Install the new filter cartridge by twisting it clockwise into position. Step 4. Open the feed water valve. Flush the system for 15 minutes. The filter replacement is now complete. Please see the maintenance section in the user manual for proper system maintenance, or contact us directly if you have any questions. Thank you.